Alright, welcome back. We're in section 5.2, third video. We're still graphing with our linear equation. So to graph a line, we need to have 3 points. We need to choose either x's or our y's and plug them in, or a combination of our x's and y's and find their mates. So I usually start with a 0 for x and a 0 for y if it doesn't affect it too much. So let's see what we do here. I'm going to put the 0 for x first. So that means 5y equals 0, because 3 times 0 is 0, plus 15. So then I can divide by 5, and I have y equals 3. So they're good. That's not off the charts or anything. Sometimes you have to be careful with what numbers you pick, because when you're graphing them, they'll put you way off the charts, and you're like, whoa, that's not a good number to work with. So the next one here, we're going to put 0 for y. So I have 0, because 5 times 0 is 0, equals 3x plus 15. I need to subtract 15 from both sides. And I have negative 15 equals 3x, divide by 3, and we have negative 5 equals x. Now remember, we need one more point to make sure that we didn't make a mistake here to use as a check. So what number should I use? I'm going to use a small number. I don't want something large, so I think I might go with y equals 1. That seems pretty good. So we have 5 times 1 equals 3x plus 15. So that would be 5 equals 3x plus 15. I'm going to subtract 15. And I have negative 10 equals 3x. Divide by 3. Negative 10 thirds equals x. Now that's not the prettiest number in the world, but that's the same thing as negative 10 thirds is the same thing as negative 3 1/3. Now just as long as we're really close to this, you know, you're not way off, it's going to be okay, because we're just graphing it. We're going to just do the best we can with our line. So I'm going to come over here and we're going to draw our axis here. We have our x and we have our y. The first one is at 0, 3. That means I go 0 left or right and go up 3. So there's my first point, 0, 3. The second one was at negative 5, 0. So I need to go to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0. And the last one was negative 3 1/3 and up 1. So that means I need to take 1 step to the left, 2 steps to the left, 3 steps to the left, and then 1/3. That means this distance between these 2 points, I need to cut into three parts and just go one of the 3 parts. So that's going to be kind of like here, and I got to go up 1. All right, whoop, that's a little too much, close to 3. So let me move it over just a little bit more. And then we draw, whoops, I missed the line. Okay, all right. So there's our last example for this section. If you need more examples or having more trouble with this, just get on Zoom with me and we can work through them here like this, and we can talk and I can explain things to you one-on-one and stuff like that. Or shoot me an email or send me a picture through the email of what you're having trouble with, and, you know, we'll work it out. Okay? Have a nice day.